Looking for a way to prepare delicious food like a master chef? It's time to meet the Kitchen King Pro, your complete food preparation station. It's easy to use. The bowl locks into the non-slip suction cup base, and with just a few quick turns of the stainless steel blades, you can dice onions in seconds. Or with just a few more turns, get minced onions with more control than any electric machine. Use it for home-style potatoes or hash browns. Chop garlic in seconds. Add tomatoes, onions, peppers, and cilantro, and make the best fresh salsa you've ever tasted. Any types of salads can be made quick and easy. It cleans in seconds and is dishwasher safe. You also get the mixing blade that's perfect for cake mixes, batter, and more. But that's not all. It also comes with the mandolin lid. Just lock it on. Perfectly sliced cucumbers. Everything goes right into the bowl. And remember, the suction cup base holds tight for steady slicing. Just turn the dial and go from thin slices for potato chips, medium slices for burgers, or thick slices for kebabs in one easy step. It even juliennes for perfect French fries.